Oh, don't do that. Hi guys. I have the boys here with me. I have a package I should have collected from last week. So they're going to come with me on the road. On my lips, I'm wearing Baptiste Beauty. You did?
It was white and it had two strong engines.
Oh my gosh, 2 strong engines?
Yeah.
Wow. Hi guys, I have the boys here with me today. Jalila, want to say hi? Sit and turn around. Tell him hi. Hello. Hello. No, you can't touch it. I'm going to need to use it, Jalil. Say hello.
Mom, why put a song on beauty face?
Because this is my live, and I like when my face look like this when I'm on live. My face look pretty.
Look like your face kissing beauty?
Yes. Yes, I do.
It's not like kissing beauty.
Okay. So guys, I have a couple of announcements to make. I still have not figured out this whole Eventbrite thing to do to host the classes through. I haven't figured it out as yet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and initiate payment for this weekend via Zelle, Cash App. And I'm not going to be doing PayPal. I've learned the hard way that PayPal doesn't care about us here in like the third world country.
Talk to your son about that, please. I need it.
Jalil, Jonathan need the comb.
Thank you.
Hey, that's okay.
It's not your comb, it's mommy comb.
It doesn't matter whose comb it is. Jonathan gonna use it. Don't wipe it off, Jal. Look it on your finger. Let me wipe it off.
What that?
My lip gloss.
Lie.
It's like red. Hi, they're all saying hi. They're all saying hi.
Mommy, look.
No, DMs won't work.
Look what I did to my.
Be careful, because this part of the comb, it can damage you. So don't hold it like that, especially jelly in there. Okay? Yeah? You can't get any papito. Yeah, so the classes. Give me. No, wait. All right, Jonathan, you come down. No, you come down. Yeah, and then so that Jalil. Okay, so I'm just going to talk to them. Okay, as soon come. Right, you guys. So all right then, cool. Your Malta in the fridge. You never did finish it. All right, so I'm still figuring out Eventbrite. If I can't figure it out by today, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna link up Lati. I'm never link up Lati. So payment will be done via Zelle, Cash App, and that's it. So Zelle and Cash App only for the American classes, and for the Jamaican classes, payment can be done via Scotiabank transfer, Zelle and Cash App as well, or like in person. Yo, my foot is leaking. I don't know how to make it stop leaking. Hold on. Yeah, so those are the class I want to talk to you guys about, and the event with me and Kay for TLC, the TLC event that is going to be on the 8th. No, that's going to be on the. Jalil, stop. Jalil, don't slam the fridge door. Why would you do that? You want juice? Juice. All right. You want juice and soda? You want soda? You want juice? You just want juice? Oh, you want NutriBurst? You just want NutriBurst? Oh my gosh.
Why didn't you say so, brother?
Alright then. Okay.
Mommy,
right.
Look what Jelly was trying to do. Look, the mom was trying to do this. But I tried to do this because I never want the egg is still still.
Yeah.
Well, that's not true.
Well, yeah, the eggs may fall out. We don't know. So you have to just do. You don't want the juice.
True, because you have glasses in your fridge. I never wanted one to come over and broke.
Okay. Jalil, I don't know if I can pull it now because my hand's slippery because of lotion on my hand. Hold on. Afternoon, hi. I don't know. Jonathan, let me the comb. Let me the comb. Let me drink it.
Drink what?
I got opening it, Jalil. I'm opening it, Jalil.
Wow.
You can do this for me. Take it off for me, please, Jono. My finger's slippery. Just hold it and pull it off. Jonathan, hold it. No bother. Gosh, my red lips are all over the bottle. Okay.
That is gross,
Wait,
mommy.
wait.
Real gross.
How is it gross?
That's real.
Wait, now, Jalil. Shano star. I'm not even drink none of my own new Nutriburs. And I use
Mommy, this is how Johnny learn how to hold him back.
Okay, here. Wait, hold it properly. Oh my God, you spill it, Jal. It spill on your clothes. Thank you. No, you can't get any more. We have to go change your clothes now. Put this back in the fridge, please, Jonah. Look on your clothes. We have to go change your clothes now. You will have to change your clothes. You spilled the Nutriburs all over yourself and on me. Man, I forgot change. Look on your pants, Jalil. Oh God. Jalil, look on your pants. You don't feel like it dirty? Jalil.
Stop it. It look like him peep up himself.
It look peep up selfishness. Come, Jalil, come. Guys. I have to. You want me to wipe it off? Oh, hold on. Wait, now, Jalil, and stop being so strong. Come, stand up. No, stand up. Let me wipe off. Stand up. You don't want me to change your clothes? No. But I have changed your clothes for you in your drawer. Jalil, I have changed your clothes for you in your drawer, you know? I can change your clothes.
Just for one day. And I can go. So,
Jalil, I'm going to change your clothes. Take off your clothes. Take off your clothes, Jal, so I can change it. If you don't think I can run him down and make a sad mistake, one thing me don't do, of course, man, take him down. If you don't want to change him, do. Who you talk to?
Yo, mommy, I miss Auntie Cara and Elijah. I miss my brother.
Oh, that's so romantic. Take up your iPad, Papa. I'm going to sit down and test so. Guys, I'm going to end this live. But what I wanted to say is that... What is it? What is it? You want me to get up? You want me to get up?
God. Oh, not
Anyway, as I was saying, I'm going to figure out the payment. This is supposed to be a work live, you know, because I'm supposed to come live every day when I get my makeup on and you know, talk and you say a bad mind. You say a bad mind. He loves that rocking chair. But yeah, supposed to come on here every day, talk to you guys about the classes, and let you guys know the payment options, you guys know where I'm going with it, and you know, I like doing the live when the boys are here. Shit, what come on now? Come today. You see the dog a while ago? Move. Him now go away. No, don't throw anything at him. Come. Because once you come inside, Jalil come inside. Come, Jal.
Jalil, you're just a scared cat. You want mommy?
And if I'm going to the room, I'm going to follow right back at me now. Because Jalil do not care. My bed not even spread. Oh, my God, my bed not spread. Yes, Papa?
You're scared cat. I'm not afraid of just a tiny dog.
I don't care. We're not scared of cats. We're just cautious.
If a dog come in near me,
gosh.
mommy, if a dog come in near me, I just box him straight in the face.
You go box him straight in the face?
Or murder him.
Ooh, ouch.
Or again, murder him.
Okay, but hold that thought. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. So the classes are going to be, we still need to figure out the venue for Connecticut, the venue for New York. I'm going to be in New York, and Florida. Of course, I'm going to be in Tamarack, Florida. So New York, Florida, and Connecticut. And as I said, for the classes, it's going to be done either 2 or 3 days, and I'm only taking 10 students per day. So each day you're going to be learning the same thing. So you're going to choose the date that you want. So it's 1 day for the classes. You'll be certified within that day. It's 6 to 7 hours. I'm going to figure it out. Okay, it's like 6 hours, I believe, like 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so it's 6 hours. Well, 5 hours, so it's going like an hour, 45 minutes or so. You're going to pull up in here, don't do that. An hour or so for lunch. Jal, don't do that, Papa. Don't do that. Don't. Jonathan. Yeah. So inbox. Hey, money. Inbox. Guys, I really prefer if you email me. I got down my email to like 0, like yesterday. I know it full up back to 40 odd. So emailing me works. I haven't checked my junk yet, so I need to check my junk. What else? What else do I need to do for you guys? That's it. So for the classes, it'll be 10 students for the classes. So it'll be great if I get like 10 students for each day. That's like my aim that I'm working towards. 10 students for each day. That works for me. The dates. Oh, Jal, careful. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to do the dates. I'm so distracted. Oh no, I don't retire the nose ring. I took it out because it had migrated. So because we did get the bump, the scarring thing, and I was using tea tree oil and stuff. Tea tree oil just burned up my nose. It healed this one up here, but like not this one here. So I just took it out for it to heal, and I'm going to redo it next year because I like the 1, 2, 3. It's cute. My nose ring is from Needles. My tongue ring is from Needles. I love me some Needles. Chufford, yeah. Raven.
This phone.
Who?
This phone here.
Tanky. It's not there. You want to download Tanky? Tanky. You sure say called Tanky, Jonathan? It's not called Tanky now. This is what comes up when I type in Tanky. It's not Tanky. The game name. I have to figure out what the game name. I can download it properly. Jalil, why you take it off? Why you take it off for the something? Put it back and stop smiling with me. Look how me I gonna beat you. Don't just search out to not beat
you. 2, 3, 4 times the player.
No, Jalil, again pull up my hair. It's not even done dry. Tell him bye-bye. Say bye, and say bye, Daddy Alex.
Bye, Daddy.
Alex. Alex. Lex. Yeah, Lex. Yeah, Alex. Yeah. Say bye, Raven. Bye, Raven. 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 Bye. Bye, guys.
You know Raven is in tea time. There's no such thing as Raven.
I have a friend named Raven right now watching me on the live. She's a very aggressive human being, so I think we're like soulmates.
No one is an aggressive human being.
Raven is very aggressive.
No.
Jalil, you're not even to just put your mouth on the man water bottle. You didn't even ask. Jalil, ask now. So may I have some? Please.
Don't make him drink.
Take time. Because Jalil, if this ever spill. Leg off it, Jonathan.
How much is this?
Take time. Jesus, God of grace, give it to me. Jonah, that can pause? Can't pause, no. That game don't look dumb. It can pause. No, you have to either put down the Malta or or put down the iPad because you can't have both. So going to go in the living room. All right, you guys. Bye. Bye. Mwah. Tell them to come to my mommy class. Please. Thank you. Daddy. Mwah, mwah. Bye, guys.